Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Parvati.
Yeah.
Kesavan.
Kesavan.
Yeah. How are you?
Fine.
Okay. Parvati.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Why are you shouting?
Hello.
ஏன் கத்துறீங்க?
Hello.
Parvati.
Who's on the line?
Murugan.
Murugan from?
Let me speak to Parvati. Who's this?
Who are you?
Who is this?
Murugan from where? Why you want to speak to Parvati?
Call Parvati now.
Cannot.
Who
Tell
is
me
this?
who are you?
Who is this?
Who are you?
Who is this?
I'm asking you who are you? Otherwise you
is
don't call
this?
you anymore, okay?
Hello.
What?
Who are you?
Who are you? I'm asking.
Hello. Uma Magesa.
Hello.
Who is this?
I'm a daughter. Who are you now?
Why you never say this in the first
Who
beginning?
are you? Tell me who are you?
Wait.
Problem. You tell me who are you?
Wait.
Why should I wait? Who are you? Hello. Who
Why are you shouting?
Who are you?
Why are you shouting?
Hey, my mom is very nervous, okay? Tell me who are you?
What is your name?
Who are you?
What is your name?
Tell me your name first.
You are Uma Mageshwari, right?
Hey, can't you understand simple English? Who are you?
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Uma or not?
You are
Tell
Uma
me, who are
Mageshwari,
you?
right? Don't shout at me, okay? We are calling
Hey,
from
you tell me
NGO.
who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you? You tell me first who are you?
Don't echo me, okay?
Hey, don't call here anymore, okay?
Okay, Uma Mageshwari, right?
No.
Huh? What's your problem now?
No, I'm not Uma. Who are you?
Then who?
Hey, who are you? Tell me who are you?
I'm calling from NGO Pusat Penjagaan. My name is Kesavan. Okay, now your turn to answer. Tell me who are you? Hello?
Hello.
பார்வதி
பார்வதியே.
எங்க போய் ஒளிஞ்சீங்க நீங்க?
இது யாரு?
என்ன யார் அது முத பேசுனது?
மக.
உங்க மகளுக்கு பேர் இல்லையா?
பேர் இருக்கு. நீங்க யாரு?
நான் தான் இப்ப சொன்னேன் இவ்வளவு நேரம்.
என்ன அது கேசவன்ட்டு அப்ப முருகன்னா நீங்க யாருன்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது. அடிச்சிட்டு பார்வதினா என் பேரு உங்களுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்?
இல்ல எங்க இருக்குங்க?
நான் பிள்ளைங்களா எங்க இருக்கு? உங்க வீட்ல இருக்கு?
நீங்க யாரையா?
நான் வந்து பூசாட் பஞ்சாகான் NGO இருந்து கூப்பிடுறேன்.
Hello?
Who are you? Why are you answering now?
Hey,
You don't come and cross, okay? Just go away and pass it to Parvati.
Okay, I can raise up my voice. The only thing is I'm controlling my voice, okay? Hope you understand, huh?
Are you singer?
Singer? What singer?
Because you're controlling your voice. Normally singers
Hey,
only.
otherwise don't call you anymore, okay?
No, I'm not calling you.
What the hell? What?
I want Parvati.
What you want, Parvati?
I'm recording a conversation, okay?
So what?
So what? Are you going to face all the problem, okay?
Hello?
Yeah.
Regarding what is this, sir?
Good girl.
Yeah, I know I'm good girl.
Yeah. Because you wanted to say, இது எப்படி இருக்கு? Hello?
Hello?
Who are you?
உங்களுக்கு வேற போதானே? உண்மையா? ஐயோ! ஹலோ, நான் ஆடி போயிட்டேன் தம்பி.
ஆடி போய் ஓடி போய் ஒளிஞ்சிட்டீங்க?
டான்ஸ் ஆடிங்க.
இது எப்படிக்கா இருக்கு?
இது நல்லா இருக்கு ஐயா. நம்ம சொல்றது.
Who are you?
வேணாம் அந்த கேலி விட்டுருங்க. மறந்துடுவேன் வாழ்க்கையில.
இது எப்படி இருக்கு?